Tarapith is famous for Hindu temple dedicated to goddess Tara, the fearsome incarnation of goddess Kali. Tarapith is one of the famous Shakti pits which comes to limelight after Sadhak Bamakapa attained sainthood here. It is famous for its tantric rituals. You can add Shantiniketan in your itinerary as it falls en route to Tarapith. Shantiniketan, which is famous for Sonajhuri Haat, Kopai River, its dancing tribals and baul songs. The famous Vishwabharati University, founded by Rabindranath Tagore, is situated in Shantiniketan and hence the name. Also, you can stay in Shantiniketan as an option. The spiritual temple of Kankalitala is just 4 kilometers from Shantiniketan. Enjoy the drive through the beautiful landscape of rural Bengal. The road goes through the lush green fields and the greenery is really beautiful. Makeshift home for the coming 4 days. So, friends and viewers, let's enjoy the trip. Good morning guys, today I am back with another video and this is a short travel video. Normally in every puja I stay on the 6th and 7th day at Tarapith, so I am repeating the same, and this time I will be traveling in my car, and especially in the secondary car which I have purchased few months back. This time the driving position has changed and my son is in the wheels now. In fact, giving him lessons how to drive in highways. We have stopped in a petrol pump where I will refuel the car, and there are the washrooms. I will use the washrooms. In fact, in this pump I visited 5 years back also. At that time I had a Swift car. It is Sonajhuri Haat and it is showing another 72 kilometers from here. It will be around 2 hours to reach Sonajhuri Haat, and from Sonajhuri Haat we will be traveling towards Tarapith. It's a township crossing. Here you need to take a right hand turn. And this road will connect to National Highway 114B. It is clearly marked that Bolpur, so it won't be a problem for you. And from here single lane starts, so boring driving with restricted speed. And this road will take you to Rampurhat Shiuri also. This is actually a single lane highway, so you have to be very careful while overtaking. Road is good. One of the greatest problem of this particular road, you have numerous bumps and some of them are so high, and since now I am traveling in this Fiesta, it's an ultra low car, so I have to be very careful. Still now I haven't touched anyone, but if you are careless you will touch each and every one of them. Now we have entered Bolpur and we will reach Sonajhuri Haat directly, because our intention is not to stay in Bolpur. We have entered Sonajhuri Road and it's raining cats and dogs, and it is 11:28. So at what time did we start? 6:30. In fact, more than half an hour. I feel around 40 minutes were wasted in a level crossing. This is Khowai. This particular place. This is Khowai. All these places are dotted with numerous resorts. So if anyone wants to stay here, they can stay at this particular place. It is Mohor Kutir. This is actually the place where the Sonajhuri Haat takes place, but as you see, it is Durga Puja and there is a puja pandal inside this particular area, so there is no haat during the puja days. So this is actually that Sonajhuri. Now we are heading towards Kopai river where a makeshift hut has taken place. So let's go there. This is the hut that has taken place just beside the Kopai river. Kopai river is just in front, in few meters away from my car. So as you can see, it's raining. Most of the shops are closed. All these makeshift shops. Here we'll find all the Shantiniketan works, that is handicrafts. There is James and also ladies clothing, all handicraft products. This is the famous that Kopai river, which actually inspired our poet Rabindranath Tagore to compose that particular poem, Amader Choto Nodi Chole Bake Bake. So now the river is just like this. There is no water in it. Even during the monsoon, you don't see that much of water here. That famous Kopai river. It's raining actually. Kopai river, they will charge you 50 rupees for parking charges. But I didn't find any as such, any parking lot or parking space in this area. This is actually some sort of extortion you can see by the local people. So we are crossing the famous Kopai river. Visit to this particular makeshift hut is complete. We are heading towards Prantik. This is Prantik station and we are waiting in the level crossing. The same particular bridge we are crossing. This is actually a makeshift causeway actually. You can't call it a bridge actually. And you have to pay 10 rupees to cross this particular area. There is the railway line. In fact, this is a shortcut.
In 200 meters, turn right onto National Highway 114.
The local tribal people has stopped the traffic to collect subscriptions. This is a common scene nowadays. At the Morgram Panagarh highway, we had completed that particular NH 114 stretch. So it says another 19 minutes to go and 11 kilometers to our destination. Now take right turn.
Tarapith
পেছনের গাড়ি তো বুঝবে না।
For 4 kilometers.
পেছনের গাড়ি শুনি বলে কোথা থেকে তুই পেছনে।
And as you can see, there are hotels on both sides. Last time we stayed in that particular hotel. This is Kollani. We stayed at Kollani last year. Finally, we have reached Tarapith. This is the particular house that we'll be staying for few days here. Now let me show you guys the property where I am staying in Tarapith. This is the particular house that we'll be staying for coming 4 days. and there is an ample parking space. I have parked my car over here. Let's get inside the building. This is exactly the flat where I am staying. This is the second floor flat and it's empty, so it will be easier for me to show you. You have two balconies from where you can have a view. This is actually drawing cum kitchen area where you can cook. You have two bedrooms with attached toilet, an air conditioner is fitted, and the bed is of king size. 3 persons can easily sleep in this particular bed. There's the toilet, nice modern toilet. This is the other bedroom. Same king size bed is there. Also it has got another attached toilet. The first floor where I am staying is identical to this. Exactly the same. I can view some greenery at the back. This area is still intact, but construction activities are going on in full swing. In fact, when I came in 2009, in fact that is 13 years back, Tarapith was almost green, but that is no more. Still, I am happy to see from this particular terrace at least some greenery can be viewed from the rooftop, which may not be possible 10 years hence. Next day, we went to Tarapith temple to offer our prayers. There are a number of dala shops leading to the temple. The rush for the prayer was relatively less as we could offer our prayers peacefully. We chose evening, that's the reason. The sacred Dwarka river flows just beside the temple. We stayed near Kangalitala, where there are number of ashrams which you can visit. The famous Bamdev Ghat, where Sadhak Bamakappa used to bathe regularly. We visited Mahashashan or the crematorium. The nocturnal and spiritual experience at Mahashashan at night is another experience. We regularly visited the Tarapith Bazaar, which is just after the temple premises, or you can choose a shortcut to go there to buy our daily needs, and we purchased the famous Hamza mutton from there. During the next 4 days, we enjoyed cooking different types of food, and we experimented with different types of food during our stay. Altogether, it was totally a different experience. In fact, it was as if I have made a makeshift home in Tarapith, which you can't expect if you stay in a hotel or in a guest house. While returning, I decided to visit Kankalitala, which is just 4 kilometers from Bolpur, which is also a famous lies all the dala shops from where you can buy the articles for your prayer. Special one, this is for 101 rupees. So we have chosen the 101 rupees instead of 51. So you can choose higher denominations also. That's the main temple and deity is inside. There is a long queue. There is a long queue. realize the deity inside that particular premises. That brings to the end of our Tarapith trip. The beautiful drive and our fantastic stay reignited our spirits. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much and goodbye.